In this video, I will show you how to copy Microsoft Word document online without using any software or third-party tool. Can make a copy for your Word document or Excel document easily. Just open any web browser and type office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you successfully sign in with your Microsoft ID, here you will see options Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So guys, if you need a copy of your Word document, so firstly upload that copy on OneDrive. So once you upload on OneDrive, open it here. Once you click on OneDrive, so all uploaded file you will find here. So to make copy, just open it. Now here click on File. Now here click on Save As. And here is the option Download a copy. Download a copy to your computer. Also there are some more options. You can download as a PDF. You can download as PDF with comments, and you can download as ODT. Planning to share this document? Instead of downloading a copy, try emailing a link. So here is the option. But if you are sure you need a copy to your PC, you want to store on your computer, so click on download a copy. So this is the copy version. Now file and save as different name or save as copy. Or once you refresh OneDrive, so save as and give your desired name. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel.